Be vaccinated. What's your reason for missing work? CareerBuilder.com is out today with its annual list of unusual excuses for calling in sick. One worker said his mother was attacked by a chicken. Another claimed to have a finger stuck in a bowling ball. And still another claimed to have her foot caught in a garbage disposal. Just bringing you what we hear.
Well, and I said earlier when we talked about why not just say you're sick?
Yeah, that's it. Just go with the old thing. My mother was
more
attacked
believable?
by a chicken.
My mother was attacked by a chicken, or I have a fever.
Yeah.
Take the day. Why not?
Yeah, our floor director's like, damn, big chicken.
Well, and chickens, a rooster will attack people sometimes.
Yeah. Warrant a sick day.
I don't know, unless it was yourself.
Maybe. Yeah. Take yourself a day off.
I guess maybe his mom was in pretty bad shape after that.
How's the weekend shaping up?
You know, not bad. We've got the Halloween forecast, updated trick-or-treat forecast.
Good.
It's gonna be pretty normal, but dry. That'll be the most important thing. It's rarely warm on Halloween. It is the last day of October in Minnesota after all, but it is going to be dry, so that's some good news. And seasonably cool. We're going to be right around where temperature should be for the evening that time of year. 46 at 5 o'clock. Still sun around. The sun sets about 6 p.m. in case you're wondering on Halloween. 43 degrees at 7 o'clock. Partly cloudy skies, clear skies through the night really. 40 degrees by 9. So in the 40s during that trick-or-treat time, but again, that's what you'd expect. No Halloween blizzard this year. 19 years ago already that was. Can you believe it? I remember, well, I was young enough to be trick-or-treating then through knee-deep snow. We'll always remember that one. Quiet tonight, and it's going to be quiet right on through Halloween. In fact, we're back into our sunny, dry stretch of weather for the next several days. No big storm systems, no wind, no rain, nothing really in the forecast other than just normal temperatures and sunshine. 53 our high today. That's above normal. So we only had 2 days of below normal temperatures with this storm system. As cold and miserable as it seemed there for a couple days, really wasn't that bad. It's just been a mild month. We've been spoiled. 28 the low this morning. Our first freezing temperature. Our first below freezing temperature since March 26th, which is also the last time we were in the 20s also. So about 7 months since we saw temperatures as cold as we experienced this morning. And we rebounded nicely. A south wind really pushing up those temperatures today. 53 in the metro. Almost felt good in the afternoon with that sunshine and a fairly light wind. 61 in Redwood Falls. Back up to 63 towards Pipestone and Jackson, also 63 degrees today. So a nice rebound. Probably won't be that warm though tomorrow. We've got a reinforcing shot of some colder air moving in. Probably back into the low 50s, but Sunday and Monday back down into the upper 40s. But all those temperatures are right around normal. That's where we should be these last couple days of October, first days of November is right around 50 for highs and low 30s for overnight lows. We just haven't done that, especially for the overnight lows until this morning. 42 in St. Cloud right now. We're 46, 34 in Grand Rapids, 33 in Duluth. There are still spots just inland from the North Shore and some of those higher terrain areas of northeastern Minnesota with over a few inches of snow still on the ground, maybe 4, 5, 6 inches in a couple spots, and a pretty wide swath of patchy areas here through north central Minnesota with an inch or so of slush still on the ground left over from that storm system. So that's why temperatures are colder up there, part of the reason. They also didn't see that warmer air get that far north today. High clouds right now are blanketing the state. That's going to keep things fairly mild overnight, considering we're going to stay above freezing overnight tonight, but tomorrow night probably will drop right back below freezing. Tomorrow, another day with hazy sunshine through high clouds. We're going to have these high and occasionally mid-level clouds around through the day. Still relatively mild. The winds start to pick up though as this cool high digs in, a northerly flow out ahead of that here. So cooler for the next few days once we get into especially Sunday and Monday, talking temperatures into the upper 40s. But again, it's about normal. We got to get used to normal eventually. Not as cold tonight. High clouds overhead will keep temperatures in the mid to upper 30s along with a south breeze at 4 to 8. That doesn't hurt either. Lots of sun tomorrow through high clouds though. You won't see a lot of blue sky. It's going to be kind of a milky sky with those high clouds. Should make it up to 50, 51 degrees or so tomorrow. A touch cooler for Sunday and Monday. Upper 40s. Again, Halloween looking about normal, the way it should be, but dry right on through the next several days. No storm systems again in sight, Mike, even past Wednesday. But a nice little warm up there, mid to upper 50s. Tuesday and Wednesday with sunshine should feel pretty good.
Wonderful. All right. Thank you, Sven.
You're welcome.
Sports coming up next. The